Okay, folks, number 18, exam review part 2, our last class together. Sorry, I feel bad about that. I'm getting a little weepy, but I'll make it through. Okay, use the distance formula. Well, let me think. Oh, distance is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1. That means just subtract the x's squared, plus subtract the y's squared. Okay, this is just the Pythagorean theorem. This is giving you one side of a triangle, this is giving you the other side of the triangle. You're squaring those two and adding them together, and to find the hypotenuse, you take the square root of both sides. Alright? Let me get rid of those. Okay. There we go. Alright. Now, let's fill in. Distance, okay, distance is equal to the square root. Remember, go in one direction. It doesn't matter which direction. You can go 6 and then 2, but then that means you have to go negative 4 and then 5. It doesn't matter as long as you do the same direction for both of them. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to do 6 minus 2 squared plus, I'm sorry, no, those are y's. I'm thinking about the slope formula. Okay, I'm sorry, negative 4 minus 5, and then 6 minus 2 squared. Alright? So then the distance is equal to negative 9 squared plus 4 squared. The distance is equal to the square root of 81 plus 16. Not a teacher answer on this one, is it, Coolest? Distance is equal to the square root of 97. Did anything go into that? Is that it? Alright. So I'll go with that. It is plus.
Okay.
It is plus. Because once you plug in, did I take the square root of the left side? Did I take the square root of d? Or anything? No, okay. So I don't do plus or minus. I only do plus or minus when there is when I take a square root and there's a variable underneath the square root. Okay? And I didn't have that. All I had were numbers. Okay?
And it says to the nearest hundredth. So
To the nearest hundredth?
Yeah.
So what does that mean, Walker?
we need to put it in the calculator.
Okay, we need to plug it into the calculator, find out what is the square root of 97. LEJ. 9.85. Go ahead and give all of them to us. 9.8. Is it 8.5?
No, it's actually 9.84.
9.84.
88.
88.
57.
802. And they said to the nearest hundredth?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to put a gate around the 4. Look at the 8. I don't care what that stuff says. And the distance is equal to 9.85. Nice. All right, good job. Let's look at the next example.